Hey guys, this is me Ehsan Raza and you are watching your own YouTube channel Ehsan Raza TV. So guys, today in this video I will tell you the real meaning of the name John. So before we start the video, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's get started. The meaning of the name John is God is gracious and the gender is boy. Origin is English, Hebrew, Indian and biblical. The religion is Christian. Auspicious color is red, rust and light green. Auspicious stone of the name John is topaz. Alternative stones are aquamarine, coral, obsidian. Auspicious metals are copper. Ruling hours is 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Supportive numbers are 9, 5. Lucky days are Sunday and Tuesday. Patience to triumph. Life pursuit to survive against all opposition. Vibration, resilient, and the ruling planets of the name John is Pluto. So if you like video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you so much.